Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a CipherLab RK95 Handheld Terminal and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Whether this is because you are troubleshooting, like it won't connect, it won't work, it's frozen, or it's not responding, or if you're just trying to set this up in a new system on a new network and everything like that, and you just want to wipe everything out to its out-of-the-box settings. Now, if you want to do this, you will actually need to get a code from CipherLab, and you'll need to email support at CipherLab. And so that email is this. It is support@cipherlab.com.tw. And then once you have your code, we can go ahead and we're just going to go to System in the menu. We're going to go to, in the Settings menu, we're going to go to System, then Reset Options, and then Erase All Data. It also says Factory Reset. From there, we're going to go down to Reset Phone. We're going to click on Erase Everything. And at that point, it's going to ask us to input our verified code, which we will have gotten from support. And then we'll click OK, and everything will be wiped off the device, and it will be like a brand new device.